Salute family and welcome to another video. This is blacktruthunited. Today we're going to be covering how to download the Bassapp. Right now it's in the beta phase, so it's a little more complicated than a normal download in the Play Store or in the Google Store. But for those who don't know, an app has to go through a beta testing phase in which users, meaning you and I, us and we, must test the features of the app to make sure that everything's working properly, there aren't any bugs, and that it's practical for an official launch. So in this video I'm going to specifically focus on how to download the app. And here we go. I'm on a mobile device. It's an Android device, and I'm going to type in Primal to the Play Store. I'm going to have to install this app, and there's one other app that I'm going to download while this one is downloading, and I'm going to type that in here. It's Expo Go. I'll download that. Once those finish downloading, we'll load it up. Primal first. I'm going to go ahead and create a new account just to show you how it's done. This will just be a test. Just put test in there. Primal. Customize the follows. I don't like just following anyone. Unfollow all those people. Next. Create account now. It's literally that simple. Now you don't have to activate that wallet. Just hit I'll do this later. Alright, hit the silhouette. Go to settings, keys, and copy that private key. You're going to want to save that in another place because in order to get in to Primal, you have to have that key. So make sure you save that. Alright, now we're going to open Expo Go. And this is essentially a sandbox type of an app. I'm going to hit scan the QR code. I'll select while using the app. So here we go. This is the screen. I had to zoom in here on Vader's website, which will be in the description. Just zoom in on this QR code, whether you're on a laptop or a mobile device, and it'll quickly pick it up. Okay, now it does take quite a while for this to appear. It takes about 20 seconds. Depending on your region, it may take a little bit longer. Just wait for it to appear. And right here, it'll ask for a key. Alright, just hit continue there or exit. Then paste that private key that you got from Primal. Hit check private key. This one takes even longer. It's about 25 seconds. Just be patient. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I'm logged in as test from Primal. It saved my credentials, which is very cool. Over here we have the protest tab. Now the map, including the pins, may be off. You may have to hit retry and then allow the location data while you're using the app. And then when you hit on pins, now you're able to access that. Here's where you register a business. So there are a lot of good features with this app. Here's a graph of businesses that we're boycotting. So just a lot of good stuff. And again, right now it's in the beta testing phase, but it's going to take us as a collective to make sure that the bugs are worked out, make sure that this project becomes a success. So hopefully this video has been concise and helpful. The link to Brother Vader's website where you can get the QR codes will be linked in the description, as well as his Cash App if you would like to support his project. Alright, that concludes this video. Be one and be blessed. Peace.